Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Long shot. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're playing golf. You're standing at the tee, and the hole is far away. You take a swing, and the ball flies through the air, landing in the hole. That's a long shot. A long shot means something that is unlikely to happen. To remember the meaning of long shot, think of a golf ball flying through the air, a long way from the hole. It's a long shot that it will land in the hole. Let me introduce a story. You're applying for a job, but you don't have all the qualifications. Getting the job is a long shot, but you decide to apply anyway. You get an interview, and you impress the hiring manager. You get the job. Fun fact, the origin of long shot comes from horse racing. A long shot was a horse with low odds of winning, but it could still win the race. Example sentence, it's a long shot, but I'm going to ask my boss for a raise. This means that it's unlikely that the person will get a raise. But they're going to ask anyway. Rephrasing, it's unlikely, but I'm going to ask my boss for a raise. It's a slim chance, but I'm going to ask my boss for a raise. Real-life story, a woman applied for a job that required a degree. She didn't have a degree, but she had experience. She decided to apply anyway, and she got the job. Similar expressions, slim chance, outside chance. Opposite expressions, sure thing, dead cert. Related idioms, Hail Mary, against all odds, shot in the dark. Quiz 1, what does long shot mean? A. A horse with high odds of winning a race. B. Something that is unlikely to happen. C. A basketball shot from far away. Answer, B. It means something that is unlikely to happen. Quiz 2, which of the following is an opposite expression for long shot? A. Slim chance. B. Sure thing. C. Outside chance. Answer, B. Sure thing is an opposite expression for long shot. In summary, long shot means something that is unlikely to happen. Remember the golf ball flying through the air as a memory aid. Use long shot in sentences to practice. And don't forget to try the quizzes. You can do it. Taking a long shot could lead to great things. Share your stories with long shot in the comments.